Hi everyone, here we've got LG K42 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. So let me open it and now we have to tap on the settings icon which are right here. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add keyboard, and here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got a lot of options to choose from. Let me pick something, for example maybe this one. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use and choose the region if you've got some options to choose from. Now let's tap on done. And as you can see it immediately appears on our list, so we can go back to the to the keyboard, and as you can see now we've got two differences. First of all, the spacebar is not empty. Now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon. So now I can easily type in English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Assyrian one. Let's tap on it again, and as you can see I can type in English. So actually this is how to add a language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because maybe you do not need two different languages. Just tap on the settings, tap on languages and tap on this pencil icon. Now let's tap on the one you'd like to remove. For example this one, make sure that it is marked and tap on this trash bin icon, and as you can see it immediately disappears. So we can go back to our keyboard, and as you can see the spacebar is empty. What's more, we have no globe icon, so it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your LG K42. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.